Scorpio, this is your channel messages for July. Something is happening in July. Anyways, it is August the 10th. Happy birthday to my August number ones, the 10, the 1 and the 0. Going back to numerology, this is how 0 plays a big part, even though 0 is non-existent. Because in numerology, if you're born on the 10th, you're 1. If you're born on the 1st, you're 1. Wouldn't you say they're the same people? Because both of them are ones. But no. This is why 0, thank you so much for the distributors who make size 0 for people like me. This is why 0 is very important. Even if someone's born August the 10th, they don't have the same attributes as somebody born August the 1st. Even though both of them is Leo. Am I lying? Ask any other tarot reader. Anyways, Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 10th of August. I said that already. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, the Death card, the 13th. Let's see what is in your messages. Scorpio, let's go. We have magic, so something is sweet like magic. Come here, sexy boy, may I have it. The fast wine, the slow wine, a cup boy, your short time up in your hood and get magnet. He's so attractive. I swear the body boy, him are the baddest. Okay, so I'm getting something about magic. We have MK Ultra. Also, I should say, even though a lot of people like to talk about Canada, let me ask you a question. You qualify for Canadian dental plan? Can me qualify for Canadian dental plan? Then just qualify me. Now I know this usually means that you can go and get your, it's an elastic band. It's pink. I know this usually means they can go and get your dental needs taken care of. But I also know Ariana Grande, who sang in the twilight zone. Does she know you're not who you say you are? She went to Better Smile Clinic. And this Better Smile Clinic, there's something happening with a dentist. Leo, you go dentist a lot. Are you doing cleanings a lot? They're going to turn it into one happy person. They're going to turn it into one robot. MK Ultra. No, this is not Miss Medical Information YouTube, but Scorpio, you're the Death card. You're everything that is taboo. No, Capricorn is everything that's demonic. You're everything that's taboo. Or people who, I'm getting somebody's acting dead. They might act weird. They might act like a robot. They might repeat. I'm getting, are you meeting a lot of people and all of them are say the same thing? I'm getting you starting to be conscious of everybody you meet in different faces. Them have different times in them life. Some have kids, some don't have kids. I'm getting all of them say the same thing to you. The same script. Like them controlled. No, I don't know if you think something is artificial intelligence. I'm getting something about a dentist. Or you're constantly going, I'm getting your teeth. Now, I don't know if you're a person who used to go to the dentist from a little coming up. I'm getting all of the teeth in your head is not yours. I'm getting throughout your life you did implantation. So I'm getting that alone. I'm getting something creepy. Leo, Scorpio, or something about teeth. Someone's tooth. We have MK Ultra and magic. Or I'm getting somebody act weird, creepy, always a smile, evil. I'm bumbleclaw telling you. Something about a dentist, one evil dentist. Now I know that certain dentists, them will pull your teeth and get more money. One did pull my teeth because them tell me, sir, for drill and fill is for 4,000 Canadian dollars. And I don't have 4,000 Canadian dollars not to spend on teeth. Anyways, now that the Canadian dental plan has approved my application, I can be 100% covered. Come to Canada and benefit from the Canadian dental plan. Canada, serving countries that don't serve you. Anyways, evil, something is evil, Leo. Magic. Me getting, if you're with a Leo man, me getting him a go dentist, him a get cleaning, and him a come home weird. And him a do weird like, thank you, honey. I'm getting some weird shit to happen. We have Raphael, healing, guidance, and travel. Are Are you supposed to be going somewhere? Maybe your boyfriend or your husband missing. We have chanting and spells, or maybe you're praying. We have Pazuzu. Ward off other demons, protect against evil forces. So I'm getting you protected. Even if your partner who you're sleeping in the bed with, something weird is happening between you and them, I'm getting you protected. We have Belphegor, sloth, laziness, misuse of talent. I'm getting something with a dentist. Again, I don't know if your memories are being wiped. I don't know if somebody keeps repeating a story to you over and over and over again. Or me getting everybody you meet. I don't know, me getting them to act roboty. Them saying the same thing. Me getting something about your teeth, something about a dentist, Leo. Do you have a dentist? I don't even have a doctor. You're telling me about dentist. But anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Okay, first card out is the Five of Swords. I'm getting theft. Did somebody did something? Did somebody tell you to pull a teeth you never needed to pull? I'm getting them get a bonus for it. I'm getting something about theft, Leo. I don't know if you... I'm getting something weird, like you use someone... Did you say somebody died in a house fire? Because I'm getting you're giving the police someone's dental records for see if it's them. Like somebody missing, you can't find the body, you go to the police, but you happen to have dead tooth. And then trace it back and say, oh yeah, it's the dead body that we can't identify. I'm getting something is being related back to teeth. I'm not sure if you're trying to test our age. Or you're looking at dental records and it's coming back to a Leo. Maybe you're looking on someone's teeth. I don't know if this is insurance fraud or fraud. You're looking at something, but it's coming back to a Leo. We're getting the Five of Swords. We have the Page of Cups here. We're getting someone young. Something about your son. Right, we have the Moon card. And we also have the Page of Swords. Did somebody pay? I'm getting some weird, like you're with friends, or I'm getting somebody pay you for someone's tooth. Or somebody pay you. I'm getting, is it this Canadian dental plan? I am asking you, please, before I take advantage of your kind offer, please don't gene pet me. Please do not gene pet me. Cause the dirty pussy bitch named Florence that was in what the fuck is shelter name? CP 66016. What is shelter name? La Resource. The La Resource shelter. When that bitch was signing up no. I'm sorry, La Resource. The bitch was in Longueuil. My apologies. Désolé. The bitch was in Longueuil. Florence, one big fat sour white girl, right? She ride Pama intake farm gene pep cycle 1. I don't know what the fuck that mean, but I know gene pep make something about your gums. Me getting your gum. Are you scratching your gum? Your gum a scrape you? Me getting your gums bothering you really bad. I'm getting you sober. Me getting you don't drink, you don't do drugs, but me getting your gum. Gene pep? Is this gene pep? Me getting something about your young son. We have the Five of Cups. We have a Two of Swords. It's something about abandoning a dental bill. Me getting them have your son, them x-ray your son, them have the dental records, them do everything for your son, but you couldn't pay. And me getting this, I don't know what kind of MK Ultra them doing, but them have your son. We have the Six of Wands, and we also have the Two of Wands. And me getting something about your son going to another country. Now, I know that in the military, certain military, your dental records can't be tampered with. You cannot have a filling or a tooth with pull. Is this something about your son supposed to go away for the army, but me getting something happen to him teeth, him disqualified, according to the army's logic? If him really wanted to go, but something happened to him teeth, I am not sure if him can debate it, but me getting usually in the army, you cannot have any dental records tampered with. So did they recruit your son before his dental records was tampered with or after? Because if it was after, is either them have a mistake or them a disqualify your son while him in the military, or be getting something about them can't draft your son because him dental records was tampered with before them draft it. Me getting a lot of people, it could be a lot of man. Yeah, the High Priestess, that's the only girl. I'm getting something about a lot of dental records, dentists. Okay, dental, something about dentists. Twilight. Now that I miss you, I don't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happened. I told Ariana Grande we were going to get her to #1. You are in #1 in Canada, Ariana. We did it, Ariana. And your brother had no help. We have judgment. Yeah, me getting a big, I don't know if a lot of lawyers going to tell you for sue. Me getting a big thing going come out about dentists, dental, something about your records, your teeth. Yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Scorpio, the dead. Or somebody identify a body, them never run dental records, the body's not yours, it's coming back to a guy. The high priestess is the only girl here, so there's something she's uncovering or she's telling you. Scorpio, until next time, bye.